Right, so this is Daft Scots last weekend, and I wanted to come and tell you about the 30-day blog challenge that I'm going to be doing. Recently, I went over to Daisy's blog, and I saw how she was doing the 30-day blog challenge. You know, every day was a different topic for her to write about, and I just found it really cool because it was a great way for me to get to know her, and so I decided to do the same thing. Now, the 30-day challenge, every day there's a different topic that you have to blog about. And usually you've got to slap in a picture here and there. And day one of this 30-day blog challenge, you've got to post a photo of yourself and give us like a day in your life, and that's pretty boring. So I thought to switch things up a bit, I'd do a wee video instead of seeing another fucking ugly picture of the Daft Scots lass on her blog, which there are millions. You get to see a wee video, which is a wee bit different. So I'm not going to say anything profound on this video, but I'm really looking forward to the next 30 days and doing the challenge and having something a wee bit more meaningful to say on my blog, because usually it's just general shit that make people laugh, and I still want to do that, but this is just something different that I'm looking forward to doing. So you better come back and you better visit every day and you better comment and make it worthwhile, for Christ's sake. So see you on the 30-day blog challenge. Cheers.